Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make a professional 2D logo and billboard design in Canva, and after that we will put it in a mockup also to show you how the actually billboard looks like. So let's get started. So let's start our step 1, designing a professional 2D logo. So here we go. Go in a create a design, search for logo and choose logo option. We will get this interface. You can use the available design or you can make of your own. So in the designs, we will search for 3D golden ratio and we will get many elegant and beautiful option. Now I will choose this one and I will customize this one. Firstly, I will make the logo bigger. Now we have to name our company. Actually, my name starts with A, so I am randomly writing as Era Designs. You have to write a slogan or tagline for your company. So I am making the tagline for a professional architectural company. So I am using the tagline in that sense, where elegance and beauty radiates comfort. I think it will look nice. Now we have to reduce the letter spacing here because I think it will not look nice that way. Here the font is Alta and this tagline font is Monsterette. Sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. Now we can add many elements here to give it a more professional and personal touch, like a customized one. So here I am searching for, I think I will search for Beauty Lotus. So we got many options here. I will choose this golden one and I will place here like this to give it a more elegant look. I am using this and will place it in backward and slightly we will reduce its transparency. Now for another element I am going to search house rooftop outline. We will go for this and I will change its color to this. Now I am going to search elegant gold branch and we will get this option. I am choosing this one and I will flip it and I will place it and I will layer it in backward. I will slightly reduce its transparency like this. Now I am going to search elegant Diwali divider and you will get some really good stuffs. I want to make it a professional look, so I am using and trying many options here. Here for customizing the name, you can add effects to it like outline and you can adjust its thickness from here, a shadow effect or a lift effect, a hollow effect. You can add any effect you like. I am not using any effect because it is looking nice in its original form. This is looking very simple, elegant and beautiful logo for any architectural setup or company, and it is simultaneously looking professional also. So here we have learned how to make a 2D logo, how to make a 2D professional logo in Canva. So from here you can add other elements too to make it customize as per as you want. I like this way, so I am using this one. For downloading it, you have to click on the share option and scroll down and here download option, but here there is a twist. You have to download it in a transparent background format. We will go to step 2, that is making design for our billboard using our 2D logo. So we will start our step 2. In a create a design section, I am using the YouTube thumbnail because it has similar dimensions as I want for my billboard. In the element section, I will choose for black glossy background. I like this one, so I am using it. Now in the element section, I am going to search. Since it is a for a architectural company, I want some really good pictures of some interior of any house. So I am searching for black interior and we will choose any of it. I am choosing this one. I want two pictures. I have choose one this of luxury home interior. Now we will adjust it. Now we will upload our logo. So from uploads we will get our 2D logo design. I will adjust this design like this. Here I am adding some text and I will choose the font Allura and I will choose the color white or you can choose from here. This yellow is looking nice, so I am using it because it will match with our logo also. And here I will add double inverted comma to look it more professional. Now I will add some another elements to decorate in more nicer way. From the element I am searching gold laurel branch. I will get many options. I am choosing this one and placing like this. I am flipping this one and placing it backward like this. Now I will add some another elements like gold line, and I am placing it here like this to match and give it a really more professional and good look. Look how beautiful this design is looking. Now we will add some call, location and mail details. So for this we will search call in element section, and we will choose this one, and I will change its color to this so that it will resemble our logo. Now mail, and we will choose this one, and I will change its color. Now we will add location, and I will change its color also and will place here. Now we will add phone number, location, other address, other details. I am using some random numbers and other details. So our design for billboard is ready. Now we will download it from here. Look how beautiful this is looking. A perfect professional logo plus its billboard design also. I will put this design in a billboard mockup also and show you how beautiful it will look. If you come this far with me in this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Now for mockup, we will go to the home page of Canva and we will select apps here. Now scrolling down, we will go to mockups. Now in this, we will search for billboard. We will get a lot of options here, and I am choosing this one. Okay, for here we will have to select our design. For this we have to choose our design, and if you do not have chosen this, you can upload it from here. Any design you want to. After selecting, you have to choose your design. If you do not have design here, then you can upload it from your download section. I have here my design, and I will select it, and it automatically get into this mockup, and we can adjust its size like this. We can expand it like this, and we will save it. And here our billboard is ready. Like our design, how will these mockup will show how your designs will look like in the real world or in the real billboard. So look how beautiful this is looking. A real professional, it is a professional awesome 2D logo with design on the billboard. Wow, it is amazing. And you can save this mockup from here, and you can share this, and you have to download it from here. See how beautiful this is looking. Wow. It's amazing how it's actually looking on billboard is really amazing. It is looking classy, elegant, and a really a professional look. If you really like my content, please do subscribe, share, hit the like button and comment down so that I can know that you really like it. Stay tuned for many such amazing content. Thank you.